gonna make potion. Let's go down. I'm a zombie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Coca-Cola, first of all, 6, 7, when they touch. Let it go again. 20, let it go. Now we're gonna make potion. Let's go. Let's go. We're gonna make spooky potion. They were making worm and dirt. It's gonna be spooky. We're gonna do everything. These are the ingredients. Putty. This putty. This worm. Oils. These are the potions. We have spooky plates. We have cups for the ingredients. It's gonna be spooky. First, we need worms like this. It fall out. I'm gonna put the filling. Let's do it now. Or you can just scoop it and put it in there like this. Like that. First, take off the top. And then now the worms are covered in dirt. Now we need to smush the Oreos to make it dirt. Let's do it. Let's get a plate. Get an Oreo. Let's go. And crack it. Put it right there. I won't do that.
Okay, put it back. Put it on.
I won't do Tara. It's hard. Don't fall down. Now you put it into the cup. Let's do it. Into the spoon. Here you go. Mama. Get out all the time. Okay. Yummy. Now we put it on plate. Let's do it. Down, scrolly now. Now we need sprinkle. Do this one and this one.
Remember, that's a potion.
Yeah. Too much. Can I just try it? Now we need to put the green potion. Too much. Now we're gonna eat the spooky skirt we made. Let's eat it. I love it. That's to put bubbles on it. Let's do it. Now we're going to put bubbles on the worms. First I need to put my gloves on. I got my gloves on. Now we're going to put dry in here. You see it's bubbling up?
Cool.
Now I'm going to put this thing on the jar so the bubbles can come out of here. Let's do it. You see? Now I can touch it. It's coming out from here. Yeah. Now I'm going to put this into the water and this, now I need to put it. Whoa.
Kristen, you doing bubbles? Stop. Kata, what's your favorite thing of the dessert?
The Oreos.
EJ, what's your favorite thing of the dessert? The worms? Gummy worms.
Those things.
The whole thing. Gordy, what's your favorite thing?
Yeah.
CJ, what's your favorite thing?
The sprinkles.
The sprinkles.
All my friends are gonna put all my gloves. That's so big! So big.
Okay, now let me show you what happened. If we put the top here,
Close-up shot.
it all comes out here, you see?
Woo!
now let me show you something. How we make the bubbles, okay?
Okay. Come on, come on. It's cold in my house. Oh, mommy.
Get her up, please. Lucinda.
Yes,
yes. Okay, you want me to try it?
That's so cool. That's science. You should be a science teacher.
Bye, everybody.
While we do this?
Wait, can I take off my glasses?
Yeah, you can touch this, okay?
I want to touch one.
Okay, you have your... There we go.
Oh, yes.
There you go, EJ.
Wait, I never tried that one.
Okay, you'll be next. Are you have your gloves on?
Yeah.
Oh! You trying to do this?
What?
Okay,
Okay, hold on. Try to try. Oh!